Here we're talking about this snow in the mountains, but also a good soaking of the valley as well throughout the evening.
Yes, we are seeing these scattered showers throughout the night tonight. It actually did just step outside and it looked like the rain did stop, but we are going to be seeing this continuing throughout the night tonight. So we can see this storm over Kern County right now, and that's going to be continuing even into those early hours tomorrow. But we're talking about temperatures cooling 45 degrees right now for us in Bakersfield, looking at those 40s across the valley, but we are below freezing in our mountain communities already. So 27 down in Fraser Park right now, 30 into Hatch Peak, and 19 in Breckenridge. So as this rain is moving over the mountains again, this is causing that accumulating snow to continue into those overnight hours. We're still looking at spotty showers at 2 a.m. continuing till even around noon tomorrow, but we're talking about cooler temperatures after this storm. So 53 degrees in Bakersfield tomorrow with that 40% chance of rain continuing into those early morning hours tomorrow. And we're talking about another storm making its way into the county on Thursday. I have more details coming up.